Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. We're going on a walk. It is December 4th and the last nice day we are going to have for probably 2 weeks because it's supposed to rain every single stinking day between now and the 18th. So we're going to take a walk and then we're going to go back inside and make some peppermint bark and maybe some cookies. What do you think?
Sure.
Okay. So we are fortunate enough to live by a campground that we can go walking in. And it is close to one of the major highways in Pennsylvania, which is right over there. But it does give us about a mile loop that we can go walk whenever we want to, which is nice.
Hi.
Name a kind of potato.
A yam and a sweet potato and a normal potato.
What other kind did you just tell me?
A yam.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Yeah? Sure you didn't call it something else?
No.
No?
No.
No? You sure?
Yeah.
Final answer?
Yeah.
Okay. Say it again.
A yak is an animal that has horns.
A yak is a what?
Is an animal that has horns.
She just said a yak is a... She just said a yak's a potato. Put your peppermints in a Ziploc bag and then take whatever you have, a rolling pin. I'm using a potato masher, and just take out all of your holiday frustration. Mash them up into fine bits. I try to pound them into smaller pieces as much as possible. I do leave a couple bigger chunks, but a lot of it is the smallest pieces. We're looking for 1 cup of this total. So I have put in 8 candy canes, hoping that that equals a cup. You want to take a 9x13 cookie sheet and line it with parchment paper. And you want to have all of your pre-stuff done before you start melting your chocolates, because this will save so much time and headache if you get prepared first. We're going to do the chocolate layer first, so you want 2 12-ounce bags, or 11.5 ounces now, of chocolate chips into a microwavable safe bowl. All right. Microwave for 30 seconds, stir it up, and then do it for 15-second intervals until all of your chocolate is melted. Take your melted chocolate, and I will be the first one to tell you I am not happy with how microwaving chocolate turns out. I think the double broiler method is much better, but that's what the directions said to do, was use the microwave. So guys, that's what we're going with. Spread this out as thin as you can, make it, because this is going to be your base layer. Alright, this is the first time I've ever made this, so you're coming along with me on this, and I'll just be the first to say, this looks so foul right now. It looks like I went back to work, and I'm playing with poop. So, yeah. Granted, it smells a lot better, but the visual is not doing it for me here. I had this in the microwave for a total of probably 3.5 minutes, and I can still see chips in it. Like, I don't know, y'all. Like I said, not my preferred method, but I'm following directions. We're going to pop this in the fridge while we melt our white chocolate and some of the other ingredients that go in with that. And we'll put this in the fridge. Let's do that. Okay, white chocolate chips go next. So 2 bags of your white chocolate chips into a microwavable safe bowl. To our white chocolate chips, we are going to add a 1/2 tablespoon of coconut oil, which I'm going to melt down first before I put it in this. A 1/2 tablespoon of coconut oil. And then we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of peppermint extract, just to boost that flavor. So I only have 1/4 teaspoon here, so I'm going to add 2. That's why you're going to see me put 2 in. And then we're going to do the same thing. I think my microwave's broken. I think that's my problem. We're going to put this in the microwave, again, melt this, and then we'll get our chocolate back out, and then we'll put this over top the semi-sweet chocolate. To the chocolate layer, add your white chocolate, which, by the way, this white chocolate melted so much nicer than the chocolate did. The chocolate. But you want to get all of that out of your pan. And then you're going to form another layer on top of this. And if it streaks, it streaks. And it's gonna streak. Okay. It's alright. It's all gonna be okay. It's just not gonna be as pretty as I would have liked. Alright, while this is still warm, take your crushed candy canes and then just sprinkle this over the top. Alright guys, we are going to put this in the refrigerator to get hard, and then once it has set, I'm going to leave it in there for probably 2 hours. Once it has set, we'll pull it out and break it apart. This is our final product right here. Everything has been completely hardened and we need to crack it into pieces. So I'm not sure what the best way to do this is. That's one way. So, crap. It's really hard if you put it in the fridge to cool it. So just break this into bite-sized pieces and then put it in an airtight container to store it in. And then you can snack on it as often as you like, and it is delicious. I tried a corner of it and it is really, really good. So even though I had a microwave malfunction, it did not destroy the end product. So thank you for watching. Give this recipe a try. I will put the link in the description as to where you can find the recipe for this at. And make sure you hit that like and subscribe button for us. Thank you so much and have a great day.